I'm a zero waste kind of girl, so after we have eggs, I wash the eggshells and then I bake them in the oven and then I reuse them. I hate wasting anything, so I'm going to use this to make a calcium powder. I put them in the oven to disinfect them and to make them more bioavailable. You're going to hear people say that this is a protein powder, but it turns out there is no protein in the eggshells, but there's a lot of calcium and minerals. So this is very effective for you for calcium, for your pets, and for your soil, for your plants. I just put them in there after they cool off. I grind them up in my magic bullet, which is an essential I use several times a day. I grind it up to a fine powder, and then I can store this for a long time in a glass jar. So this is something I've been doing so I don't have to waste the shells. They don't break down in the compost very easily, so I find this more useful. After I grind them up, it just makes a little bit of powder. I'm going to put that into a glass jar. I use a mason jar, put the cover on, and then we can just add a little bit of this. So remember, it's not a protein powder, it's a calcium mineral powder. So another tip for a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. You can make the time because you're worth it. If you see my blog, makethetime.com, there's more information.